Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the beautiful port city of Rijeka in Croatia. Rijeka, with its population of around 110,000 in 2024, stands as a significant seaport and a key economic hub in Croatia. The city's orange-roofed houses, made from local clay tiles, give it a warm, traditional charm, set against the lush, green landscapes that surround it. As a bustling port city, Rijeka is well equipped with ample parking facilities, making it easy for residents and visitors to navigate. The cityscape features several tall buildings, contrasting with the smaller structures of Samobor, contributing to Rijeka's modern, dynamic skyline. The blend of historical architecture and contemporary development adds to the city's diverse appeal, making it a fascinating destination for both locals and tourists. Next up, let's dive into some cultural gems. The Maritime History Museum, located in the Grand Governor's Palace, takes you through Rijeka's deep seafaring history. From shipbuilding to navigation, it's all here. And just nearby, the Votive temple Kozala, a peaceful neo-Romanesque church, offers a moment of reflection, especially as it honors those lost in World War I. It's a beautiful place to connect with Rijeka's spiritual and historical roots. We can't forget the stunning Islamic center of Rijeka, a modern masterpiece of architecture that truly stands out. Unlike traditional Middle Eastern mosques, this one has sleek lines and a minimalist vibe that blends beautifully with the lush greenery surrounding it. The center was thoughtfully designed to reflect contemporary influences while staying true to Islamic principles. It was constructed and funded primarily by the Islamic community of Croatia, with generous contributions from both local and international donors. The mosque's design not only serves as a place of worship, but also as a community hub where people from different backgrounds can come together. The surrounding gardens add to the peaceful and welcoming environment, making it a symbol of harmony between faith and nature. Navigating through Rijeka is pretty smooth, even though it's a busy port city. The traffic is manageable thanks to smart urban planning and a solid public transport system. Plus, with ample parking, getting around is a breeze for both locals and visitors. For the sports fans out there, Rijeka has something special: Stadion Rujevica, home to the HNK Rijeka Football Club. This modern stadium is where the city's football culture comes to life. The atmosphere during matches is electric, and the stadium's design ensures every seat has a great view. It's the perfect spot to experience the local passion for football. Now let's talk about Port Rijeka, the heart of the city's maritime activity. It's a crucial hub, handling everything from cargo shipping to passenger services. The port connects Central and Southeastern Europe with the rest of the world, and it's also the departure point for cruises heading to amazing Mediterranean destinations like Italy, Greece, and Spain. Whether it's goods or people, Port Rijeka is where it all happens. As the saying goes, traveling, it leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. And that's exactly what Rijeka does. It fills you with stories worth sharing. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care and happy travels.